Nikki, today Liberty Global, the US-listed global cable operator, has put its bid for Telenet in Belgium to shareholders. But how's this all come about?
Well, Liberty wants to buy out the minority of Telenet, which is the Flemish cable operator. That's 49%, which it doesn't already own. And it offered back in September to pay €35 a share, which is in total value is about £2 billion. But the independent the independent directors at Telenet are hanging pretty tough on this. They think that those terms undervalue the shares, and so it's going to be up to shareholders to decide by the 11th of January.
Okay, and what do you think? Do you think their offer is reasonable, or are they just playing hardball?
It depends how you look at it. If you look at it on an earnings basis, the multiples that are being offered are pretty comparable with those on other cable companies. There's a Dutch company that compares pretty nicely with Telenet. So it doesn't seem terribly mean on that basis. But if you look at the Telenet share price, it was trading at around €31 before this offer was made. There was a proposal for a share buyback at 31.75 in August, which was ahead of and partly the reason for Liberty's offer. Well, that gives you a premium of only, sort of 12%, perhaps depending a little how you do the sums, perhaps a little less than that. That's awfully mean for taking out a minority. I mean, the issue of how you value minority holdings, where you haven't really got a control premium as such, is quite difficult. But Lazards, who are advising the independent directors, have come up with a sort of very nice summary of all the buyouts that have been done recently, and quite honestly, most of them are around 20%.
So how badly does Liberty really need this? I mean, can they afford to play hardball, and where does this really get them? I mean, what do you think the outcome is going to be?
Well, Liberty has famously sort of consolidated much of the cable business, and I think it would like to do that here. Telenet has quite an interesting and growing mobile business, and I think they will play hardball. They'll get as much as they can through this offer. They'll then sort of increase the debt at Telenet, possibly try and delist the shares. It could be a nasty battle.
Okay, so we're looking like shareholders are probably going to push for more out of this. Thank you, Nikki.